Hi students, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn 8th standard science unit 11, 16, 17, 18ல இருக்கக்கூடிய எல்லா லெசனுக்குமான புக் பேக் ஆன்சர், அதாவது புக் பேக் 1 மார்க் ஆன்சர்ஸ் மட்டும் நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க இப்போ வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். யூனிட் 11 ஏர். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரோமன், choose the best answer. First one, which of the following is true about oxygen? Answer option D, supports burning. Second one, aerated water contains. Answer option C, carbon dioxide. Third one, Solvay process is a method to manufacture. Answer option D, sodium carbonate. Fourth one, carbon dioxide with water changes. Answer option A, blue litmus to red. Which of the following is known as azote? Answer option B, nitrogen. Next, second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, oxygen is called as vital life. Nitrogen is lighter than air. Nitrogen is used as a fertilizer. Dry ice is used as a refrigerant. The process of conversion of iron into hydrated form of oxides is called rusting. Next, third Roman, match the following. Nitrogen, fertilizer. Oxygen, respiration in living animals. Carbon dioxide, fire extinguisher. Dry ice, coolant. Next, unit 16, microorganisms. First Roman, choose the best answer. First one, microorganisms are measured in micron. Dash shows both living and non-living characteristics. Virus. Dash is a prokaryotic microorganisms. Bacteria. Fourth one, based on shape, the bacteria are classified into 4 types. Common cold in human is caused by influenza. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, penicillin is prepared from a mold called Penicillium. Prions are the infectious protein particles. The infecting virus particle found outside the host cell is virion. Microorganism can be seen with the help of microscope. Bacteria which has flagellum at one end is classified as monotrichous. Third Roman, state true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens. True. Female Anopheles mosquito is a carrier of dengue virus. False. Correct statement, female Anopheles mosquito is a carrier of malaria virus. Chickenpox is a communicable disease. True. Citrus canker is transmitted by insects. False. Citrus canker, correct statement, citrus canker is transmitted by air and water. Yeast is used in the large scale production of alcohol. True. Next, fourth Roman, match the following. Nitrogen fixing bacteria. Rhizophium. Tuberculosis bacteria. Kuru. Prion. Probiotics. Lactobacillus acidophilus. Edward Jenner. Vaccine. Next, unit 17, plant kingdom. First Roman, choose the best answer. First one, Solanum trilobatum is the binomial name of the தூதுவளை. The word Solanum refers to genus. Floridian starch is a reserve food material of Rhodophyceae. An example for colonial form of algae is Volvox. Fourth one of the following is an edible mushroom. Agaricus. Plants that prevent soil erosion are bryophytes. The first land plants are pteridophytes. The well-developed sporophytic plant body is seen in gymnosperms. Binomial nomenclature was first introduced in the year 1623. Penicillin is an antibiotic which is extracted from fungi. Fill in the blanks. The word taxonomy is derived from two Greek words. Binomial nomenclature was first introduced by Caspar Bauhin. The book Genera Plantarum was published by Bentham and Hooker. Monocotyledon seed bears only one cotyledon. Brown algae belongs to Phaeophyceae class. Agar-agar is obtained from red algae. The reserve food material of fungi are glycogen and oil. The first true land plant is pteridophyte. Xylem and phloem are absent in bryophyte plants. Reticulate venation is present in dicot plants. Next, third Roman, state true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, in polypetalae, the petals are free. True. Second one, binomial name should contain more than two words. False. Correct statement. Binomial name should contain two words. Third one, artificial system of classification is based on few characters of the plant. True. Cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. True. Pinus is a closed seeded plant. False. Pinus is a naked seeded plant. Correct statement. Pinus is a naked seeded plant. Dicotyledons have well developed characters than the gymnosperms. True. Mosses are the well developed plant in bryophytes. True. The dominant phase of the bryophytes is sporophyte. False. Correct statement. The dominant phase of the bryophytes is gametophyte. The dominant phase of the pteridophyte is gametophyte phase. False. Correct statement. The dominant phase of the pteridophyte is sporophyte phase. Fourth Roman, match the following. Cyanophyceae, blue-green algae. Chlorophyceae, green algae. Phaeophyceae, brown algae. Rhodophyceae, red algae. Next unit 18, organization of life. First Roman, choose the best answer. First one, dash is tough and thick white sheath that protects the inner parts of the eye. Answer option A, sclera. Second one, dash cells are specialized cells that can be transformed into any kind of cells. Answer option B, stem. Third one, maintenance of constant internal environment of the body is known as homeostasis. In the absence of oxygen, glucose is broken down into lactic acid. The process of air passing in and out the lungs is called breathing. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules from higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. The erythrocyte is placed in dash solution which has lesser concentration of solutes and greater concentration of water than in the cytoplasm. Hypotonic. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. Cell is the structural and functional unit of living organisms. The largest cell is egg of an ostrich. Yeast is a good example for anaerobic respiration. Optic nerve is located at the end of the eyes behind the retina. The size of the cells are measured in units of micron. Next, third Roman, match the following. Carbohydrates, glucose, CO2, water and heat, protein, amino acids, enzymes, hormone, protein, fatty acids, cholesterol and other steroid. State true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, in hypotonic condition, concentration of the external and the internal solution of the organisms are same. False. Correct statement. In hypotonic condition, concentration of the external solution is less compared to concentration of internal solution of the organism. Second one, diffusion is the movement of particles from an area of lower concentration to higher concentration. False. Correct statement. Diffusion is the movement of particles from an area of higher concentration to lower concentration. Third one, human beings are warm-blooded in nature. True. The fourth one, the larynx has fold of tissue which vibrate with the passage of air to produce sound. True. Fifth one, aqueous humor plays an important role in maintaining the shape of the eye. False. Correct statement. Vitreous humor plays an important role in maintaining the shape of the eye. Standard 8 சயின்ஸில் யூனிட் 11, 16, 17, 18க்கான புக் பேக் 1 மார்க் ஆன்சர்ஸ் இந்த வீடியோவோட முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா வீடியோக்கு ஒரு லைக் போடுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ஆன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.